How to add money to Robinhood without bank account. In this video, I'll show you how to add money to your Robinhood account without using a traditional bank account. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. First step is that you can use a prepaid debit card. Robinhood does not accept prepaid cards directly, but you can try linking reloadable debit card that's supported by major banks like Chime or Cash App. Second step is that you can link a Cash App account. First, open Robinhood app, and here on the bottom right corner you can see your account icon. Click on it. Now go to transfer and click on linked account, or you can also click on the search bar and type in transfer. Click on transfer your accounts in option, and here click on linked account. Now select add account and search for Lincoln Savings Bank, which is Cash App's bank, and enter your Cash App routing and account number manually. Now third step is to use PayPal or other digital wallet indirectly. Robinhood does not support PayPal directly either, but you can transfer money from PayPal to your Cash App or Chime. Then use that fund to Robinhood. So this is how you can add money to Robinhood without bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.